Hello there, Tanmay here. Today I'm going to explain the importance of videos if you have any startup, if you are running any business, if you have any services. So let's get started with our topic. So, lots of businesses owners and startup people have started their business, but what is the first and main point? Getting clients and getting leads. Most of the people are struggling to get clients and they are not able to generate lots of leads. So how we can generate most of the leads for free and how we can get lots of clients for free? That's what I'm going to tell you today. So you got the product, you have the best product, you have the best service on your side, but people don't know that you got the best product or best service on your side. People don't know about your product or service. So you have to tell them about your product details. You have to explain everything about your product or services to people. What people do, initially they try to sell in their friend circle, their relatives and their cousins or their contacts from anywhere. Okay, so that's the best thing. First, sell in your friend circle. Whatever business you start, whatever startup you start, the first thing is you have to try to sell and take feedbacks from your friends and family members. That's okay. Now, but how you are going to boost your business and how you are going to boost your startup? Friend circles, mouth publicity is one thing. Mouth publicity is great, but mouth publicity takes so much time and it's a very slow process. If you have the best product on your side and you need that boost, sudden boost, then there is one thing you can do, that is advertising. Traditional advertising, digital advertising, 360-degree advertising, any type of advertising. But what is the problem in advertising? Money is the problem in advertising. It takes so much money for advertising. You take digital, traditional, radio, newspaper, any type of advertising, because advertising is a continuous process. You cannot get immediate results and you have to work and spend money, lot of money in advertising. And not every business owner and not every startup owner can afford that much of money spending on advertising. So what they can do, if startup owners and new business owners cannot spend that much money on digital agencies, advertising agencies, then how they can grow their business faster? They need that boost. Okay, they have the best product. So for that, videos are going to help you. Now, how videos are going to help you? I have 3 points. Let me read that. First thing is that users are 3 times more likely to prefer watching a YouTube video, tutorial video, than reading the product instructions. Second point is that 83% more information is retained when you watch videos are related to something, let's product or in anything else, your service or else. 83% information is retained. Point number 3 is 70% people prefer videos over text to learn about their product or their services. Nobody want to read, nobody want to learn from text and all. They want videos. Like I'm doing here video, I'm telling you faster. Reading is boring. Only few people can read and spend time on reading. Videos are faster way of communication, and you can easily tell what you want to tell. Number 4 is studies show that 54% of the consumers want to see more video content from a brand or businesses they support. So that's also a good thing. That's a pure research from internet. Number 5 is rarely 50% of the internet users look for videos related to a product or service they are going to buy. You have seen that if you need something, you just go and inquire on internet that okay, this mobile is good or not, and you watch video how to XYZ. So this is public behavior. So, but what is happening? Our first point is that not everybody can spend money on advertising and they have to make the videos. But uploading random videos on random topic and random social media platform is not going to help your business grow. only posting video is nothing. There should be a system, there should be a framework, there should be a strategy and a planning to upload videos. And because every social platform is different, YouTube is different, Instagram is different, Facebook is different, Twitter is different. So according to the platform, you have to upload that videos and you have to study. Once you start uploading videos on these platforms, you'll understand that these platforms are not that easy that they look. People are spending a lot of time to understand these platforms. But what you have to do, only consistently posting videos is not going to help you. There is more thing you have to do, I'll tell you. So for that, I have created a video marketing course and a startup growth model. I've explained that how you can leverage the power of videos to grow your startup and to grow your business and put your business to the next level. So it's a 38-day challenge where you are going to complete this course in 38 days. And for that, I'm going to conduct a weekly webinar. You are going to attend that weekly webinar. I'm going to take question answer session, giving you tasks and helping and guiding you every week for 60 minutes so that you can complete that course and start earning faster and faster. So there is a perfect framework I have learned from my $1 million mentor, and he's the #1 digital coach of India. And I've learned the system, the framework, and I merged that framework into my video marketing course, and that I have explained in this video marketing course. The link is in the description. It's just a 500 rupees course. You can enroll it and we will connect on weekly basis, and I'll help you to grow your business 2 times or 5 times faster by using the power of this video marketing thing. You don't need to spend money on advertising initially, unless and until you get 5 to 10 clients, and then after you need that boost, then you will take that advertising power. So just grab the offer.